Hey guys, it's me, FDF Lover, and don't mind the music. It's just gold. Seriously. Why won't it show me? I gotta do that so. There we go. Just 5 minutes of phrase, and me and my best friend are playing Minecraft. I want to show you what I just made. I'd be purple guy. Let's see. Rachel.
Hi guys.
I hope you can see. There's purple guy right there. So, and here is my best friend Rachel.
Hi.
I just got done with purple guy. And why are you on purple guy?
Because I want to.
Because you want to.
Okay, can I
Or
do
don't
or
mind.
do you want to?
On this community, we say that what's in your mind, but in the end, I think that you will find your heart. You are the main attraction. Sing. You don't even be told. Yeah. Wait, what? Oh, wait, right now. The satisfaction breaking the mold. Some bots are just distractions, some bots are just gold. You are the main attraction.
You know what? This is the map. This is the cave, I think.
Yeah, my friend was making the fast-paced pizzeria. Satisfaction breaking the mold. Some bots are just distractions, some bots are just gold. Oh, I know a good song.
Hi guys.
I'll just do creepypasta. I can't find it. Don't mind the music. It's just Minecraft. Okay, now I'm just supposed to decide to make. I never let you say the cage, but I can't control it. So stay away from me. The beast is ugly.
Well, I give it to him when.
So this sounds like a Flash Break song.
I know. I posted it on Nathan's profile.
Creepypasta, they control it. In the vents, in the closet. What's up to save me from this? Make it end. I feel a different day. It's just beneath the skin. I feel like a monster. You will become. And that was just begun. And this was I feel like a monster. I feel like a monster. I feel like a monster. Minecraft. I love my purple guy. Tell me if you guys hear the music. Yeah. Save me. I wish I didn't see that. Is that purple guy? I feel like a monster. Purple guy. It's so cute. Sorry. Ugh. Okay, this is gonna be a new song. Okay, I'll turn to that. I just need to put on the song. A song that I like. It doesn't sound like it. Come on, song. Or I'll just turn stress out. Do you want us to stress this out?
Sure.
Wait. No, not creepy about the theme song. This is oh, look at okay. So, she's there to make it out of you. Yes! This stuff has been drowned. What's the song about? Can you hear us? Can you hear the song about? Can you hear Rachel? See. Do you want me to be being so weightless that's under the surface? Don't know what you expect me to be. Under the fashion of fucking men, your shoes. So, why you put torches everywhere you see? See, watch. Guys, look at this. Look, Rachel keeps up on torches wherever she goes. I become so numb, I can feel you there. What? Do you know a song, Rachel? What?
What?
The song? You are with me. Afraid to lose control. I'm sorry if I'm singing out of some song.
Now you have to do it 3 times.
Oh crap! Dang it! I didn't know. I'm so sorry. I got to do it 3 times now. Sorry, I'm just like making a video. Let's say. I love songs.
I know you do.
I know you know me. I become so numb, I can feel you there. Become so much more away. Sorry. We're in a boy shirt, so what? And I know just like me, cheers. What? It just stopped. That was all the video. So now, probably gonna turn on. What? Okay, I'm gonna put on discard. Discard.
Does that kind of look like Friendship or Creeper?
Discard.
Does this kind of look like Friendship?
Yeah. Oh yeah. I love the design. I can feel someone else's September going down through the entire time. Get out of here. I'm hungry. Are you?
Yeah.
Look at the camera.
Hi.
You sound like one boy.
Hey.
Hi. In the middle of some afternoon, let's call whatever to be two. I want to hurt myself. Oh my god. Ah, I didn't mean to, I hurt myself really bad earlier today. So I jumped off my roof.
Look, golden green.
And I almost broke my leg. Yeah. Just go. Look, people. Oh, I was Jack. Did you see that? The something goes to see the pot. Just a feed. Just something. What's if I work of art? But
Can you add some windows?
yeah, I usually rap, but today I'm not like a good rapper. I'm not good rapper today. You can't push me because I'm flying in the air. So they take away, just call alone. Yeah, I'm stupid and I like it. Let's go. Dang. Dancing! I didn't mean to do that again. Tell me this is a good video because I'm following you sitting on a bed. What?
It's a video.
Thanks. Rachel said it's a good video.
It's a good video.
Yeah. Oh my god, there's Jeff the Killer. Get off me, Jeff. Jeff. We'll let die in a fire. Die in a fire. That's what I said. This one. I love this ammunition. Get in my way. Purple guy is so cute in the video. I don't know why I said that. 3K. I wanna throw you out just like my broken TV. I'm Jeff the Killer. I hope you die in the fire. No, wait. Are they talking to purple guy? Why? Oh yeah. He killed the kids and then they came back and they killed the animatronics. Why? You gonna hurt Money? No, buddy. Poor Money. What does Chica have to sing? Oh, that's wrong. You'll die. The Bunny song. Oh, wait. Look at the Bunny song. They look so weird. Right there. They look so weird. Leave you alone. Oh yeah. Hope you die in a fire. So bye guys. I hope this was a good video. Hope you like it. Bye.